Introduction to probability. In this video, you will learn how to find the probability of something happening. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. Probability is a measure of how likely something is to happen. In other words, probability indicates chance of an event happening. We can measure the probability using fractions, decimals, or percents. As the following line shows, we can use words associated with a number to describe the chance of something occurring. Pay attention. Probability of 0 means something will never occur. Probability of 1 means something will always occur. Some words have special meaning in probability. Let's clarify some words associated with probability. These terms can be a bit confusing, so please read carefully. An experiment is any procedure that can be repeated and has a defined result. Examples: tossing a coin, throwing dice, picking a card from a deck. A trial is a repetition of an experiment. The number of trials is the total number of times the experiment is repeated. Example: when a die is rolled 20 times, we say the number of trials is 20. An outcome is a possible result from running the experiment once. Example: when we roll a die, the number 5 is a possible outcome. A sample space is the set of all the possible outcomes of an experiment. Example: throwing a die, the sample space is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. An event is a subset, a portion, of the outcomes in a sample space. In other words, an event is the result that we are interested in. Example: throwing a die, the sample space is the set. The event an odd number occurs if we get one of the outcomes 1, 3, or 5. The event a number less than 5 occurs if we get one of the outcomes 1, 2, 3, or 4. Pay attention to the following examples. Try to solve by yourself.